Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Psycho Girlfriend Terrorizes Community When Boyfriend Won't Give Back PlayStation 5, man. Listen, I'm a gamer. He not giving that back, boy. What? You probably gave it as a gift. Too bad. It's over with. Need that. Let's go, man. Let's lock in.
On May 18th, 2025, officers responded to an apartment complex for a call of a woman causing a disturbance.
What are you doing? No, you're not. Walk over here with me right now. We're not playing this game. You're trying to get into their apartment right now? Yeah. Seriously?
They have my son. You think that he's gonna sit up there and play a video game that I freaking got and then gonna lie to the police like he got a receipt to it?
Okay.
Please.
Told you. Said what? I didn't watch this. Told you. She gave it as a gift. That's how it go when they break up and stuff. Everybody want to tit for tat. Oh, I bought this. I'm getting this back. This, that, boop, boop, boop. Even though you gave it to him as a gift. He not giving that game back. Take it as a loss. It's over with. See you in small claims court or something, man.
Remember what we just talked about earlier? Go to small claims court and figure it out. Don't try to break into their house.
Bitch.
Hey.
Oh.
Knock it off.
Give me my shit. I'm not gonna do nothing. But he not gonna give me my shit. You know he ain't
that way.
that shit.
You're not doing this right now.
No, they not doing it with me. They not about to fucking put their hands on me and then take my shit and then lie to y'all like they got the receipt.
Keep walking.
The fuck? Fuck out of here. I'll pay for that shit.
Again, go to small claims court.
They're not gonna do shit. I don't want to go through all that shit when they can give me my shit.
No, you gave it as a gift. So.
Stop back in small claims court.
Okay.
Going trying to boost their door and pounding on their door after we told you not to do that is not the way to handle this. It's only going to cause more issues. All right. So we need to get you in your car, and we need to get you out of here. You're most likely going to be.
Boy, everyone can slow down. I'm so sorry.
That's totally fine. That's fine.
I'm going to go talk to them and see.
Here, code 4 coming in. It's going to slow down for minutes and so far.
Okay. All right. So, like I understood.
Hide behind your mama,
Stop
bitch!
it. Knock it off.
The fuck?
Stop yelling at them.
Pussy
There's
ass.
other people here right now with kids. Stop swearing. Stop yelling. At least do it for them, okay? I understand it's heated right now with them, but going about this is not the right way. The way you're doing it.
They're doing this shit to me. She's sitting there. Why is he not coming up to talk to the police? His ass is 25 years old. Hide behind the
Hey, stop!
Give me my shit!
Knock it off! What? Yeah, I know. Give me the keys.
Here. That's fine.
Alright.
You want me to be civil, but they have my stuff in there, and they sitting here trying to play the police like I don't know the real shit that's going on?
Okay.
Hide behind the police, hide behind your mama. The 25 years old.
Stop yelling. Knock it off.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay? Like I was saying, it's heated. What happened earlier was heated. You got a busted lip, he's got cuts on him, busted lips, all that type of stuff. It got heated, okay? Earlier, none we can do. We already told you that, okay? Trying to take it into your own hands and kick their door down?
I wasn't kicking it. I had the keys. I didn't kick their door. But I know what you mean. I'm not even gonna do that to you.
Yeah. So regardless, even if you weren't physically kicking it down, you're trying to get in there, okay? Don't do that. That's not okay. All right?
It's not okay what they're doing to me.
Look, you can feel that it's not okay what they're doing
But
to
it's
you,
not. It's just blatantly not.
But right now, looking at this, when this goes into court and everything, if it goes into court, they're gonna pull all this in and they see what's happening, it's gonna look bad on you, okay?
They pulling all this from ShyGotEm, man. They gonna watch me. This channel right here, dog. I'm playing. But yo, what's she gonna do? She wanna take the video game so she can play the game? You think she really? Come on, man. How many ladies out there is really playing the game? I mean, there is a big group of ladies that do play the game. I ain't gonna lie. There's 2 of them I play Call of Duty with. They get busy on there, boy. But I'm just saying though, she probably does not play the game. She brought it for her man while they were together or whatever. And she probably gave it as a gift. Okay. And now that they're split or they're breaking up or whatever, they got into a little argument. She wants to take it back. No, it don't work like that. You know what I'm saying? Just like when you dating a chick and you buy that bottle of perfume or something, you know what I'm saying? You get her some, you know, who knows? You know what I mean? Whatever you buy her, you know? Should you be sitting there like, oh, I bought you that jacket. I bought you that bottle of Chanel. Like, what? What? I bought you that purse. Like, oh, give me the purse back. What you gonna do with the purse, man? Wear it? What you doing with it, man? You know, what you doing with it, man? It's a gift. It's over with. It's over. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna get butthurt about, you know, gifts like that when you guys break up, because the chances of you breaking up is high just because that's the way relationships go. I mean, you know, it is what it is. You've been with more people than you've broken up with more people than you have been with people. You know what I'm saying? Like, so it's just the way it go for the most part. But anyways, that's another story. If you can't stomach that type of expense when you guys split and you're gonna want to take it away to either pawn it or whatever, give it to the next person, whatever, don't buy that type of gift. Game, PlayStation, if you bought it during COVID time, they was $600 hitting you over the head. You know, I paid a hefty price during COVID for it was I think it was $600 or $650, something like that, because they were sold out. You couldn't get them. You know what I'm saying? So you had to, yeah, you had to do the 1 and 2 and get those. You know what I'm saying? So it's you know, so she probably paid a pretty penny for it. You know, not, you know, they really cost like $300 or something, but if you bought it during them COVID times, boy, you was getting hit over the head.
So I would strongly recommend wait a day, text him, call him.
No, I don't want to talk to him. I want to get my stuff now and then leave him alone. I'm not about to sit here and blow up his phone to try to see if he's going to get something that I bought back. Okay. So once again, can you just go in there? Because I can bring it up, bring up all the receipts on my Chime card that I have.
To them right now, okay?
Right.
But if they still want to give you the PS5, that's that. That is it, okay? We don't want to see you back over here again, or else you will be going in handcuffs most likely, okay? We don't want to do that. We don't want to put anybody in handcuffs right now, okay? There was nothing we could do earlier. We don't want to put you in handcuffs because you're coming over here banging on their door trying to get into their apartments, okay? We don't want to put them in handcuffs for something that might happen on later on, okay? Because that will really screw up everybody's life right now. If we have to arrest, we will arrest. But as of right now, we're not arresting anybody because we can't do anything right now. We're trying to keep the peace. We're trying to do all that. But you coming over here, doing what you're doing, is going to ruin everything. It's going to ruin your life. It's going to ruin their life. It's going to screw everybody's life up, okay? So acting the way you're acting right now, think of the future and keep looking at the future. Because what you're doing right now is risking it, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So my partner's talking to them right now. If they give you the PS5, great. If not, tough luck. That's where we're at, okay? I'm going to strongly recommend again, small claims court. Or give it some time. Figure something out where you guys can meet, and he can give it over to you.
I do not want to talk to him.
Okay then. And then maybe
and I'm not going to blow down his phone.
Okay.
He does not like my mom, just like I don't like his mom.
Okay.
So I'm not going to sit here and blow down his phone. If you want to tell him that we can meet up somewhere or whoever drop it off, then that's totally fine. Okay. But they're not going to sit here and lie and be like, oh, we have the receipt, knowing damn well that I have the text, the bank statements, the picture of the receipt. He's saying he has the receipt. I sent him a picture of the receipt coming from me to him. I have all of those text messages and all of that. So I'm trying to just give me my shit so I can leave you so I don't ever have to talk to you again. You're them doing all this and sitting here talking and lying to y'all like, oh, we bought it knowing damn well, especially his mama, that he didn't that shit. That broke. So Just give me my shit.
30 units, make your own case, reckless driver, eastbound Grand from Old Plate, eastbound Grand from Old Plate for a black Bay African Florida plate, all over the road, make your own case.
Yeah, I gave it to him.
Okay, so you know you can't just barge into people's places and try to go in there, right?
Yes.
Like without consent, you can't just open their residence and try to push it away.
Yeah.
Right? So why are we doing that?
Because he has my stuff.
Okay, so you're trying to bust into his mom's apartment.
He has my stuff. He already knows the situation.
Right?
I'm sorry.
Oh nah, that cop about to lock you up. I can already tell by the questioning.
So we told you to go to small claims court.
Yeah.
Right? That's the only way to handle this. We don't get involved in civil disputes. All right? That's a civil dispute.
How is that civil?
Because you both use it.
I don't use it. I don't use it. It's at his house.
Okay. Yeah. So it's something that.
Told you, she don't play the game. She don't play the game. She bought it for him as a gift.
He uses. We can't determine who owns the property.
I can't because I have the receipts that say it on my car that's scheduled.
Petty.
You don't get to push into people's houses, especially a little old lady, all right? While she's trying to and terrified that you're going to push in there.
She's not terrified. She knows how to play the police. She's not dumb.
Okay, so they want to pursue charges for
That's totally
one,
fine.
you're trespassing. Two,
Okay.
you're under arrest.
Okay.
Put your hands on your back. Come on.
Can you guys call my mom? And my car is parked right there. It's right there. It's parked. No. It's right there. I can show you that.
It's idling in front of my squad. She escaped.
Yeah, and my phone is also in there. Can you guys call my dad?
How about this? Well, here.
Okay.
Well, how about
You're
this?
going to get transported yet.
Well, how about this? Are you okay if we just drive it over to our PD? It's right down the street, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
And we can just park it there in the.
There?
Yep, right outside the neighborhood here.
Okay.
So. What? We'll park her car over at our PD, so that way she doesn't have to come back over here.
Yep.
So,
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
So I'm in nursing school. Is this gonna pop up on my stuff?
It's a possibility.
Okay.
Like my partner said, like I said.
Huh?
2353 is one in custody.
If it doesn't like just immediately start, I'm.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and domestic battery. Thanks for.
Yeah. Now you want to talk about, well, I'm in nursing school. Is this gonna pop? You should have thought about that prior to all of this. Just walk away. Take it as a loss. You gave it as a gift. I knew she gave it as a gift, man. She don't play the game. You heard what she said. He said, y'all both use it. I don't use it. Well, why do you want it? Because you mad that y'all split and you don't want him to have it no more. Even though you gave it to him as a gift. Take it as a loss. Take it as a loss. It's over. It's over. You know what I'm saying? He gonna be playing the game with the next chick over there, you know, cooking them dinner or something. You know what I'm saying? Hey, babe, get off the game. I got this. You know, yeah. All right. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know? He gonna be playing a game, you know what I'm saying? The new chick gonna be like, oh, what are you playing? Oh, can I try? Yeah, oh yeah, sure. Come on. With a video game that you bought. Oh my God. It's the same goes vice versa. Guy buy a girl a bag and this, that, perfume. This, she wearing it for y'all split. She wearing it for the next guy. Like, what you think? Yeah. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying?